In this section, we shall discuss the problems of under- and overcharging. Such problems are normally the result of a faulty charging system on vehicles. When a battery is being overcharged, it will lose water and require frequent topping. Overheating will also generally occur. To check an overcharging condition, carefully observe for excessive gassing whilst the engine is running, which is a sure indication. Electrolyte temperature may be checked using a glass thermometer, whereby a temperature in excess of 40 degrees centigrade indicates a definite problem in the charging system. The opposite problem, undercharging, is often the result of a slipping alternator drive belt or a faulty alternator itself. A battery left in an undercharged condition will quickly sulfate, whereby the plate compounds effectively become unchargeable and the battery will have to be renewed. Ensure that V-belts are correctly tensioned and if necessary refer the problem of undercharging to an electrician.